We've made our business successful by focusing one person at a time. That's why we treat everyone with the same care and attention every single time. And now we're proud to share some great feedback. Take a look. It never gets old when someone posts these types of experiences online. We take great pride in knowing everyone is happy. It motivates us to continue working hard at providing the best possible service. So the only real question you have to ask yourself is, what are you waiting for? Come by and experience our impeccable service today. Thanks for watching. We look forward to working with you. Contact us today at the number on your screen. Have a great day.